Yeah, what's up, what's going on, guys? Hope we are good. All right, so in this video I'm going to be doing a few review of my trade, okay, for the week, and how I use this information I pass across in this channel to make entry for you guys to know that I actually trade these things, okay. And these things have changed my life. I don't know, this 2023 I just decided to bring this to my YouTube channel, like to share some of my premium strategies on this channel. Okay, so basically I actually on 2 trades for the week. Okay, for me, we don't count the number of trades you take in a week, right, or in a month. What I'm interested in is taking quality trades, reducing my losses, and make sure that I'm maximizing my profit. Okay, most time I can hold my trade for 2 days, 3 days. People who pass through my mentorship program know I do share my live trading section with them. They see I can actually hold trade for days. Okay, so I'm not just jumping in, jumping out, right? So, and the same thing, and the information I've actually dropped in this channel is the exact information I'm using for my entry, guys. In fact, most time, just few trades that I take with maybe another advanced strategy that I share in my VIP group, but still yet you can, start seeing significant changes in your trading, in your profitability in the forex market, just understanding or combining this information I pass across, right? So now I'm going to be making few just maybe review of my trade for the week. All right, so if you look closely, this price have been pushing to the downside, right? The price have been trending down, so we had this massive correction. Okay, and we have this massive correction right here. The price is actually correcting to the upside, so many people are going to be saying, oh, this is an uptrend, the price have changed, the price now pushing to the upside. So but if you look closely, you'll be able to see that we still have that bearish signal, because we actually seeing this correction giving us that flag pattern. Remember, that is the bullish channel. Okay, that is ascending channel, right? So it's a reversal pattern, as we know already. I've already dropped videos on this. So how do I actually enter this trade? Like I said, it is not enough for you to just know trend line or know support and resistance. You need to know what is the pattern forming, or what is the pattern the price is giving you around that level. You want to see those reversal pattern, which I've also dropped in this channel. So how do I actually enter this trade? It's very simple. First, I always want to confirm the trend. I always want to confirm that the price is pushing to the downside or to the upside. Okay, so I actually took some trades here. Okay, but I am not actually sharing that with you guys now, because I actually used my other strategy. But this one that I've taught you guys, that's exactly the reason why I'm sharing this reviewing this trade with you guys, because I've shared this strategy with you guys. Now I simply confirm the trend is a downtrend. So I saw this movement, okay, which is the I'm seeing it as correction, okay, a bigger correction or massive pullback. Then what I'm looking for, I just put in my channel. Okay, remember what I taught you about channel in the previous videos? So it's a reversal pattern, right? So I'm looking for any reversal pattern for confluence. Okay, and if you look closely, we had this, okay, this point, this our previous swing low, right? So this is like a flip zone. This is a flip zone, guys. Remember what I said about flip zone? The price pushing down, sorry, let's say that the price is pushing down, okay, and at a point the price break a particular level and retested that level, so you expected to sell at this zone. Okay, this is just simple setup, simple profitable setup, right? So but we don't just sell because the price is retesting. That is what any other trader can actually do out there. So most time it doesn't work that way. So you need to understand how these things work. So for the fact that price break, retest, we don't just sell. So we needed to see more confirmation. So and this is what happened. So when the price breakouts from that zone, and that is exactly what we are looking for, okay, and the price is retesting this zone with our pattern, right? the price is retesting the zone with the ascending channel, okay, which is the best thing we are looking for. That is the best setup. So when the price is retesting, the important thing is not just that you sell anywhere here or maybe at the retest, okay. You don't just sell anywhere. So you needed to see another pattern, okay, because the price can keep pushing to the upside, guys. I want you guys to pay close attention to this. The price can keep pushing to the upside. So if you sell because the price is there at your flip zone, the price might disappoint you, okay, and keep going to the upside. So we don't just sell because the price is at flip zone, right? We sell when we see a breakout, okay, which is confirmation. And we don't just sell because you see a breakout. You must see a valid breakout. Watch the previous video, you are going to get this. Now if we don't sell with a breakout, we sell with another pattern, another reversal pattern at the zone. So what happened here, simply put, is that if you look right here, we had that correction and the price is going up again. So if you look at the price action right here, okay, if you look at the price action right here, you can actually see that the price created another pattern at the zone. So the price is testing our trend line, the price is also at our flip zone, and the price is giving us the head and shoulders pattern, which is the pattern we are looking for. All these things, all these patterns we are seeing here is a reversal pattern. So you have about 3 different patterns, which is giving us a signal, a bearish signal. Just one thing, the resistance there is stopping the price from pushing higher. The trend line, which is our channel, is also a reversal pattern. The head and shoulders pattern is also a reversal pattern. Then the flip zone is also where we sell, right? So these are the confluences, these are the information the price is giving us, that okay, now I think it's time to reverse, right? That's the point. That's the point. You need to understand this. So you have this kind of trade setup, and that is when you start seeing yourself minimizing losses, when you be able to wait patiently for these things to happen. So if you look closely to this point, okay, we had the same thing, okay, we had the same thing. You can actually make entry right here when the price is correcting to this level. After a breakout, you make entry, and we still have if you look closely, you still have that head and shoulders pattern also at that zone, okay. You can see we still have that head and shoulders pattern, retest, and boom, to the downside. So but I didn't take this trade, so I'm interested, I'm just sharing with you the one I was able to see on time and enter the trade, okay. So this is for crash 1000. I also have a trade on crash 500, okay. This is crash 500. The same thing, guys, the same thing. The price is actually pushing to the downside, okay, and we are having, you can see the price pushing to the downside. Then we have this correction, okay, at this zone. So 2 ways to enter the trade already. You can enter at the top by seeing a pattern. If you look closely, the price actually gave us the double top right here, and the price have been kind of retesting this zone for a very long time, which is the reason why we mark out this, okay. If you look also here, you can also see that you can actually call this a flip zone, but this is not the best ones. So actually what we are looking at is the retesting. How does the price retest the zone? Now if you look, the price retested with a pattern, okay. It retested with a pattern. You can't just sell anywhere, okay. That's the major thing here. So the price is pushing to the downside. Now the price started correcting. So when you are seeing all these things, some people will sell here, okay. But if I ask you, why are you selling here? What is the reason why you are selling here? Why the price have already break out from the previous high, which is actually a signal of a change of trend, right? So you don't have to sell here. You don't have any business selling here. So when the price hits here also, you look, how does the price approach this zone? This is an impulsive move, guys, so you don't need to sell here, even though the price drop, but you don't need to sell here, okay. So now the price also retested this zone a bit. So but if you look the retest, you can also see that the price push up impulsively. If you did not watch that previous video, you'll be missing out on this. So if you have not watched all the previous videos I drop on how to make entry, or how to know the valid support and resistance, the support that will hold the price. I said not all resistance or support will stop the price from pushing to the upside or pushing to the downside, right? So not all of them will stop the price. So you need to know the ones that are valid. And how do you know? You know it by the price reaction towards the zone, or how the price approaches the zone. So if you check the previous video, I explained everything there. So also here the price actually push up impulsively, guys. You can see that bullish power right there. But look at the difference now. Can you see here, when the price is pushing up here, you can see the price started giving us that correctional movement, swing high, swing low, you know, giving us that correction, okay? And at the end of this, when the price is now close to our resistance level, the price now gave us the pattern, which is the reversal pattern, right? So first, if you are making a risk entry, is right here, but I actually take a trade around here, okay? I always want the price to give me that entry point, which is the breakout from this ascending channel, okay? You just have to wait for a breakout from the ascending channel, and it's happened right here, okay? So this is the point I supposed to take the trade, okay? But I was not actually on my charts then. So coming back, I saw a retest, and that's exactly where I actually made my entry. But I did not just jump when the price retested. I actually jumped with the candlestick pattern, which is the evening star candlestick pattern, and also a doji, or you can call it a hanging man or hammer, anything. The name doesn't matter, but you just know to have to know the pattern. So when I saw this, I actually made entry on this, okay? And if you look closely, I have my TP1, TP2, which the TP1 have been hit, so I'm also waiting to see if it will hit the TP2 and TP3. And how do I mark my TP? I use the swings, okay? The swings, when the price is actually correcting, the price have been creating swing lows, right? So at this swing point is my TP1. So the next swing is going to be my TP2, because the price will likely, you know, test that zone and start retracing back or anything like that. So if you look at this particular level, you see that the price is also doing that already. So that's the reason why once the price hits here, I take some of my profits, or I also monitor the trade to see what the price is about to do again, okay? So that's exactly how I mark out my level. If you also check the previous one, I also have that TP level also in place or marked. So if you look also right here, you can see I have my TP1 kind of still far, okay? Right now the TP2 is this, okay? So this is how I actually made this entry using what I've been pushing out here on YouTube for free, right? So guys, you see I use these things, it works for me, and that is exactly the reason why I'm bringing it out here on YouTube, for you to start trading like a pro, guys. So I'm not saying that indicators are not okay for trading. I use indicators sometimes, okay, and I've dropped a series of videos on indicators, right? But for me, I think it's better you understand price action, then apply few indicators, and you will see more profitable. You will become more profitable trader. If you have been profitable, then you will you know, make more money, right? You see, you know, take more quality trades, okay, than just putting random indicator without knowing the price action, without understanding the price action, right? So you need to consider the price action before you use some of these indicators, right? So this is basically the trade, my kind of trade review for the week. Maybe I will be doing this every week, okay? I will be reviewing reviewing my trade every week on this channel also, as I keep bringing this strategies back to back on this channel. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, okay? Please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I release a new video just like this. Then please, I'm begging you guys, if you are watching this video, I beg you, I'm begging you, please go to my currency pair channel and subscribe, okay? The link will be in the description of this video. I have a channel where I drop videos only videos of currency pair trades and strategies. So if you like currency trading, that is currency pairs, or you have not traded it or you heard about it, I think you have to subscribe to that channel and see some of the strategies, and you can actually start, you know, trying it out, and you might see profitability trading of currency pairs. Okay, so not everybody, some people don't believe in synthetic indices, some people don't believe in boom and crash stuff or volatility. They trade currencies. Okay, me, I trade currency, I trade a boom and crash. I know that all these things are price action. Once you get the knowledge of price action, once you have that knowledge, you can trade any of them. So but some people, currency pairs works for them, so you might not know actually whether it's the currency pair that will be that breakthrough trade or pair, or the financial market for you. So it might be that breakthrough platform for you. So you can actually check out that my currency pair channel. The link will be in the description of this video. Just click and subscribe, okay, and watch few videos there. You also see what I'm doing there also. So that's that for this. If you also want to join my VIP group, the link is also in the description of this video. You can also join and learn. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye for now, guys.